In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and sell coins on eBay. Navigating the world of coin collecting and sales on eBay can be a rewarding experience if you know how to effectively use the platform. Let's begin with buying coins. Start by typing what you're searching for into the eBay search bar. You might be on the hunt for specific coins like the 1909S VDB Lincoln Cent or the Silver Eagle 10Z. It's as straightforward as typing in the name of the coin you're interested in. Once you've done that, the next step is to use the available filters. eBay provides a variety including condition, which can be set to either new or used, a price range to stick to your budget, and certification to ensure that the coins are verified by reputable grading services such as PCGS or NGC. You can even refine results by location or seller to find what best suits your preferences. After you've filtered the results, you'll want to sort them in a way that meets your buying criteria. Options include sorting by the lowest price plus shipping, or seeing listings that are ending soonest if you're interested in auctions. Sold listings can also provide insight into the current market value because they show what buyers are willing to pay. Before making a purchase, always check the seller's feedback. A seller with a good reputation, particularly in coin-related sales, will give you more confidence in your transaction. Once you find a coin that interests you, you can choose between using the Buy It Now option for an instant purchase, or placing a bid if it's part of an auction. Finally, once you make your choice, ensure you pay securely through eBay's checkout system for the safest transaction possible. Now, if you're on the other side of the coin and have some treasures to sell, let's discuss selling coins on eBay. Head over to your seller hub and create a new listing. Begin by typing in the name of the coin you wish to sell, like Morgan Dollar 1884O. eBay might suggest a pre-filled listing based on the information you provide. You can use this as a template or opt to start from scratch if you prefer a tailored approach. It's crucial to upload clear, close-up photos of your coin. Take pictures of both the front and back, include the grading case if your coin is certified, and don't shy away from showing any flaws, as transparency helps build trust with potential buyers. Craft a descriptive title that highlights the coin's features, such as 1884O Morgan Silver Dollar, PCGS MS63, Beautiful Luster. Next, decide on your pricing strategy. Consider setting a fixed price using the Buy It Now option or an auction starting price. Remember, starting low can attract more bids, but only choose this if you're comfortable with the risks involved. Once you've completed all sections of your listing, it's time to click List It and get your coin in front of potential buyers. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to confidently buying and selling coins on eBay. Happy collecting and good luck with your sales.